Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply find your trade URL in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to your TaoMan and inventory, your profile inventory. And when you're gonna be here, you want to click trade offers. And then you're gonna like, who can send me trade offer? And third-party sites, and you're gonna see here the trade URL. Of course, you can create a new URL if you would like to, but this is pretty much how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah, so have a great day and goodbye.